Now that Facebook monetization has been approved for Nigerians, I know a lot of people are looking for what to do and what type of content to create to make them go viral and achieve their 60,000 video minutes. 60,000 video minutes is actually a huge one, and you can't even achieve this with just any type of content. It is achievable though, but there are some content that you post that can give you the push that you need to go viral, and you can monetize your account within just 1 month. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you tips that has helped other people to achieve their own so fast and it's still working. So make sure you watch this video to the very end so that you don't miss out important details that I'll be sharing. Okay? So the first type of content that you can make to go viral and achieve 60,000 video minutes is reaction videos. What do I mean by reaction videos? You know, reaction videos are those type of videos that you create by using another person's content. You make this type of video by reacting on another person's viral content. So what you'll be doing is bring someone else's content and react on it and affix it to your own content. You know, Facebook prohibits stealing other people's content and posting it as your own, but this doesn't mean stealing and posting as your own. What you'll be doing is to bring another person's viral content and make your own video, either talking or laughing at the original content. So when you do this, you affix it and create another topic on it and post as your own. You might have seen people do this type of video a lot on Facebook. So what you'll be doing is to go on TikTok. TikTok is the best place to find viral videos or funny videos. So when you go on TikTok, you bring another person's viral content and you shoot your own. So when you're shooting your own, make sure that your face is showing on that video so that Facebook will see that it is your own content, it is your original content. So make sure you attach your face, either laughing, either talking or commenting on the particular viral video. So a lot of people have been doing this particular reaction video and it has been working for them. So why not jump on it? Why not take this opportunity to monetize your account and to grow your audience and achieve 60,000 video minutes? Simple. And you do this with the right caption, you post your video and you see people trooping in on your page to watch this type of videos. So what you'll be doing is, either when you monetize your account or you've gotten the needed audience you want, you can switch content. But if this is what you want to do forever, you can go on it and be consistent at it. But for you to get your 60,000 video minutes quick and fast under 1 month, you will be implementing this reaction video in your content. So do this and see people troop in on your page to watch more videos like this, and you get monetized so quick and cash out so quick on Facebook. So that is just it for reaction video. Another type of content that can make you go viral and achieve your 60,000 video minutes so quick is celebrity gossip. We all know that Nigerians love gossip a lot and they want to hear different opinions about celebrity gist and gossip. So what you will do is, whenever you see a celebrity trending or a particular gist about a celebrity trending, all you need to do is just to hook on it and give your own opinion, a different opinion from what they are saying. So you can either oppose. I think opposing is the best option because people just want to hear another view. Whenever a celebrity gist is trending, all you need to do is to hope on it and give your own opinion. People love to hear a different opinion from what a person is saying. So all you need to do is to oppose the topic and see people trooping on page, and you will go viral with that. So another particular one is prank videos. This one is very dicey. When you approach it with a very nice concept, you're going to do well at it. In fact, it has been working for people and it is still working. So all you need to do is to find a right type of content around it and start off. So you can actually do it with people you like, or you can script it. It mustn't be real, but just make sure that you don't do extreme type of prank so that you don't lead people to death or to cause panic attack to people. So all you need to do is just to strategize. Another one is skit making and comedy. This one is like the juice and it never goes out of fashion. People want to laugh out their sorrows, and skit making has been working for so many people. So when you start off skit making and comedy, you will get monetized so quick and you get the needed audience, because a lot of people want to see people do comedy and skit and they just want to laugh. So people come on Facebook, like me. Each time I come on Facebook, I just want to watch more skit from people and comedy. So no matter who is shooting it, as far as I love what they are doing and it makes me laugh, I'm just going to sit and watch them Skit making is not even expensive to do. All you need is just your camera and you. You don't even need a second person, but in case you want a second person and you don't have anybody to invite, you can actually achieve that by cloning yourself. We all know how Maraji started off, right? So cloning yourself is so easy. You can do that on CapCut. There are so many tutorials out there to clone yourself and get a second person in your video. So if you want to do that, you can search up many tutorials online and you will see that it is so easy to do. In case if you want me to teach you how to clone yourself on CapCut, you can drop a comment and I'll make a video on that. It's so simple. So this is an opportunity for you to go viral and get monetized so quick on Facebook. You can achieve your 60,000 video minutes with these tips I'm sharing with you. So you can hop on it and start doing it. Skit making and comedy is just the real gold, and people have been hoping on it, and it never goes out of fashion. A lot of people want to laugh out their sorrows. A lot of people want to just entertain themselves online. So you can start off by doing this and achieve your video minutes so quick. Another one is cloud chasing and trigger content. This is like the chairman of it, or all those type of things that Cyberboard usually does. Things that can make people react, and things that can make people react and talk, things that can trigger people's emotion, those type of content that she just dishes out every time, that make people talk and say, okay, this girl, she's saying rubbish, this girl, she's talking a whole lot. And this is the type of content I mean by cloud and trigger content. So the truth is that you don't even need to say the positive, just rely on the negative. Those type of things that you say that a whole Nigerian will start talking and marvel at your audacity, and they will start asking, where does this girl get this audacity from? That's the kind of thing you'll be saying. And when you say it and it gets people's attention, you will see your page getting the needed views, and people will be trooping in to see what you have to say more and more. Okay, so if you want to achieve your 60,000 video minutes so quick, this is the type of content you should be going for. This is the type of content that you should be doing on your page. You might not know what you're saying, but because you want people's attention and of which they are going to give you, this is what you should be doing. You just say things that will trigger them, things that will get to their emotions, and boom, you're going viral. Another type of content that can get you views is family content or reality show. It is something like keeping up with the Obis, or keeping up with the Emeka's family, or keeping up with Atinuke, because people want to see you. They want to feel like they are part of your life. They want to see your daily life activities. They want to hear gist about everything you've been up to in your daily activities. So this is an opportunity for you to share the updates for them and get them to view your content. So, but because people love this type of content, you can actually do it in form of a vlog or something like that. So you can set up this type of content and see your page blow up. Like me personally, I love watching vlogs of people, so this is an opportunity for you to do it. And I know there are so many other people that love this particular type of content. So for you to achieve your video minutes so quick, you should actually hope on this to get it going and get monetized so quick. Hope on these tips and content ideas to blow up your channels. Try and be the first set of people to get paid by Facebook, because the more people get into the program, the more harder it gets to be monetized, and the criteria might even change over time, and they can even reduce how much they pay per click because there is a larger inflow of people. So this is the right time for you to monetize your account and start earning that. The pay is still huge and large, and the criteria are not even tough at the moment. So pick up these content ideas and start creating and monetize your account so fast, under 1 month, and you're good to go. So these are the content ideas that you might need and you might start. We are doing this to cash out and earn money, so it's not like you're trying to do some difficult tasks. So this is an opportunity for you to cash out on Facebook monetization. So for now, this is where I'll be ending this video, and if you haven't liked this video, this is an opportunity for you to do so. Make sure you like and comment, and if you've not subscribed to this account, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, as this is part of my growth on here, and this can even make me to share more valuable tips for you. And if you like something like this, please make sure you subscribe to this account, and as I'll be sharing more valuable tips for you. And don't forget to share this video to some other people that need this information. And bye, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and so take care.